Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update your graphics card driver in Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. First you need to verify which graphics card you are using. To know that, you just need to go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it. Go to performance tab and select the GPU. And now you can able to see which graphics card you are using. For Nvidia users, check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to select the download now option and download the GeForce Experience. After getting download done, you just need to install the GeForce Experience, guys. After getting installed done, you just need to go to search menu and type GeForce Experience. Click on open it. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you need to select the download option and download the latest driver, guys. For AMD users, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download Windows drivers option and download it, guys. After getting download done, you just need to install this, guys. This will auto detect and install the driver for AMD. And that's all you have to do it, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.